started by wanting to do it, and if we decide to do something, because I feel we all have feelings in us. We see something in the news, in the newspaper, in the news channels, and we say, so sad, so bad, and then we forget about it next day. But I thought that this is not an issue which we want to forget about, because these people have families, they have lives, and just think about it, the man who's given up his life, he must have done it because he's so basically driven to it because of financial issues. So I just felt, just one second, you want the music off?
No, it's fine. It's very low now. Music is low.
So I just felt the man who's given up on his life because of his problems, financial problems, he's taken the way out. But that doesn't mean the problem will go away. The rest of the family, how will they cope up with it? So I just felt that if we could start a little pathway for other people who want to do help, who want to do charity. I feel a lot of people have the good thought in their mind, but they don't know how to go about it. So I thought, let me lead the path to them. Let me tell them how they can do it without fearing that their money will get wasted and it will go to some wrong hands. So I know that they will trust that whatever I'm doing is going to go to the people directly. So that's why we had all these women today. In front of them, we gave 50,000 each to all these women. And this is just the beginning. And I must here thank all my friends who've not only donated clothes, all the designers whom I requested, they came ahead without any hesitation. They donated clothes, and I said, anybody who's donating money for the cause, instead of just telling him thank you, let me give him some thing in return. So we've got a whole array of things which have been donated by designers, and anybody who wants can take things out of that depending on how much they donate. And people have donated in checks, and they've donated, and I hope this is just the beginning. I want to reach as many farmers, families, wives as I can, and believe me, this is just the beginning. It is not the end. It's not that today's evening is over, because I felt society में हम लोग high tea करते हैं, party करते हैं, we do all of it regularly, but at the end of it we only eat, go home. We don't achieve anything out of it. So I thought the same effort which I would have for my birthday party, I would make the same effort, but I would just end up having fun and going home. So I've achieved something out of that. I feel if we can do that, I hope it will inspire a lot of more people to go out of their way to help causes which they feel about. And believe me, human beings really need our help. We want to do for animals, we want to do for various things, but if it's a question of life and death and survival, I think that's the biggest thing. And a lot of these women have small children who they may take out of school, and that's what I made them all promise. I said, you will educate your children and do not stop their education. And I was so moved. I mean, I had tears in my eyes when some of them told me that their debt was 50,000, and with this check they would repay all their debt and they'd be debt free. So I wish I could have done it when their husbands were alive. That would have maybe saved their life, but then maybe we wouldn't have been motivated. So I appeal to all of you, if any of you want to help, Madad is the name. We have Madad the Helping Hand. We have a website. It's a very simple website, but you all can go there and send your I would say the desire that you have to help, and we will join hands with you and help. And on the 15th, 16th, 17th of July, we are tied up with Vivaha exhibition. We're going to have a stall of Madad there, and we'll be selling merchandise there, and all the proceeds will again go towards the cause. All of them have been so moved on the cause, and they've all said that thank you for giving us the opportunity to be here. And I'm hoping that each of them, as they say, each of you reach out to one and join hands and let the circle of desire to help and desire to make a difference increase. Today it's only my friends. If their friends and their friends and the friends of the friends join, it'll be a whole lot of people, and we'll make a difference. And as Asha ji said, she says, Sare Mumbai share mein, if people even donate 10 rupees to 100 rupees, look at the population. So many lakhs of people here. Even a person begging on the streets can turn around and give you 10 rupees, 100 rupees, 1,000 rupees. And I must share here 2 instances of friends who have called on their own when they read about it that we want to donate. The husband donated a certain packet, and then he said, I shared it with my wife. She also wants to donate. So, you know, that is what you feel for a cause, you realize it's going to go to the right place and make a difference, because unless we, as human beings, I tell my friends, you spend on a bag, you spend on a meal out, and the same amount of money, if it is given to these widows or to the farmers, it may save their lives. So I think that sensitivity, if it comes in, for me it was also an exercise of sensitizing people, for them to realize that this cause is a very serious cause. And none of us take anything with us when we go up, neither our bags, neither our jewelry, neither our fancy clothes, but we do take our karmas around. And this is what I've requested people, try to earn good karma instead of buy good things, and beautiful things. So request all of you, please do help us, give us madad, so that madad can go and give further madad to people.
One thing I would like to add was NGOs होते हैं जो bring करते हैं कुछ करने के लिए, but it does not culminate. आपने checks collect किए, 50,000 पे के large amount with them. How difficult or easy it was when you were actually it's a long exercise. तो कितनी मुश्किलें आपने actually face की है करने में?
मुश्किलें अच्छी फीलिंग भी हुई और कई जगहों पे बहुत दुख भी हुआ. मतलब मेरे डिज़ाइनर फ्रेंड्स जो मुंबई में रहते हैं, हर सोशल फंक्शन पे होते हैं, वेरी वेल सीन एंड एवरीवेयर अराउंड, बट व्हेन आई मैसेज देम दे से, oh, we are really too busy, we have no time. I said, it's 15-20 days away. Time to donate something doesn't take too much time. And I felt bad, but then it also shows you that people want to have benefit more than they want to give. So I request my friends, don't look at your own benefit. Think about somebody else's life whom you're changing. Kai jagah dukh bhi hua, but then I told myself, it's not about me feeling bad about this person. It's about the good we can do for somebody else. So I put it behind me, my feeling of being hurt or upset or angry by some people's reaction. But majority of people said yes, 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 and that is what has got it till here. And we are going to immediately, the rest of the donations and what I don't know how much we managed to collect today, I will be going personally to Nagpur and Yavatmal and Aurangabad area where lot of the suicides are from. And as these ladies who had come kept saying, "Aap hamare gaon pe aiye, aap aake dekhiye." So Asha ji has also told me she'll come with me, and we'll go there and we'll help as many more people we can. And already I think at least 10, 15, 20 more we can already help. I hope after today's exercise and after July exercise we'll be able to do that. I would like to reach a number of 100 at least. Yes. Okay, thank you so much.
Let's help those show more people around. What happens to the values after science, doctors, farmer, and
उनके वजह से ये सब सामने चीज आई और ये कोशिश रहेगी हमारी कि आइंदा आपको कोई भी ऐसी तकलीफ आए तो आप हमें आवाज देंगी. अभी आपको तो पता हो गया कि हम कहाँ हैं. आप हमें आवाज देंगी और हम लोग सब यहाँ जितनी औरतें हैं, बहुत बड़े बड़े घर की औरतें हैं, बड़ा बड़ा काम करने वाली हैं, सब हम आपके पीछे खड़े रहेंगे और आपको कोई दुख नहीं आने देंगे. 50,000 के लिए कोई जान दे दे, 50,000
अपनी अपनी जिंदगियों में आपको भी करना है. हिम्मत नहीं हारनी है. आपके बच्चे हैं, परिवार है, तो एक औरत बहुत एक मिनट, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
माझ्यासारखे भरपूर असं बहिणी आहे त्या आले नाही परत आणि तुम्ही आले ना तर मला खरी गोष्टी ती माहीत होईल तर ते आले तर खूप चांगलं होईल. माझी विनंती आहे तुमच्याशी.
उनका कहना है कि आप
तुम्ही सगळ्या एकाच गावच्या आहे?
नहीं सगळे वेगळे
वेगळ्या वेगळ्या गावच्या आहे. लागून लागून गावाचं गाव आहे. तालुका आहे. हम आएंगे. उनकी 3 एकड़ जमीन है और इतना खेत मतलब आ नहीं रहा है, उग नहीं रहा है. एक लड़का है, एक लड़की है. लड़का 7वीं में पढ़ रहा है लेकिन पढ़ाने के बिल्कुल हिम्मत नहीं है. तो मेरा ख्याल है हम लोग जितना कर सके हम लोग ज़रूर करेंगे और भी मदद आए तो बहुत अच्छा होगा. और मेरा ख्याल है एक आदमी ने अगर 10-10 रुपए भी दिए तो इन लोगों का शायद साल भर का सारा काम हो जाए. क्योंकि बहुत लोग यहाँ हैं अपने मुंबई में इधर 10 रुपए को भारी नहीं 10-10 रुपए भेजते रहे करके बहुत हो गया.
सिर्फ 100 रुपया मिलते हैं. 100 रुपये भी दिन भर का खर्चा नहीं लगता है. बच्चों की पढ़ाई और खाना पीना दिन भर का धूप में या बारिश में सिर्फ 100 रुपये मिलते. 100 रुपये में सब घर खर्चा नहीं होता. वो कहाँ से पढ़ाएंगे बच्चों को.
एक मिनट में ये भी कुछ कहना चाहिए.
माझं नाव वंदना शेडे आहे. रायनर भाडोलीची, जिल्हा यवतमाळ, केडापूर तालुका. माझ्या आमचे घरचे माणूस जाऊन 10 वर्ष झाले. लहान पोरगा 6 महिन्याचा होता, मोठा पोरगा 2 वर्षाचा होता. सरकारनं अजूनही मागे काळजी मदत दिली नाही. हो नागपिकीच्या मुळे पोऱ्यासारखा सण होता, मोठा सण बैलाने सजवते ते. आमच्या घरात खावाले काही नव्हता. लहान लहान 2 लेकरं होते. गोड देवाले घरात बी नव्हता, खायले लेकरायले नव्हता, बैलाले चाराले शिंगार करायला सुद्धा पैसे नव्हता. इकडे तिकडे गावात खूप फिरले, सावकाराकडे फिरले. पहिलेचेच कर्ज आहे आता कुठून देते म्हणून सावकार लोक देत नाही. या सणाच्या मुळे टेन्शन पायी आत्महत्या केले. किशोर तिवारीनं आमचं
आशा ताई ने 50,000 रुपए दिए. बहुत बड़ी मदद. कहीं ना कहीं आप लोग को अच्छा लगा. आपको आप जी बोलिए.
जी हमने कभी मुंबई देखी नहीं थी, सिर्फ टीवी में देखी थी. आज उनकी वजह से पूनम जी और आशा जी की वजह से हमको मुंबई देखने को मिली और उनकी दिल बहुत बड़ा है. हमको भी बहुत अच्छा लगा उनके साथ मिलकर बातें करके.
आप लोग पहली बार मुंबई आए और आशा ताई के गाने जरूर सुने होंगे.
हाँ बहुत सुने.
और 50,000 रुपए आप सारे लोगों को दिए. एक कहीं ना कहीं कमी तो पूरी की कहीं ना
हाँ ऐसा लग रहा है. थोड़ा सा भी तो हमारी पूर्ति हो गई ऐसा लग रहा है.
जाइए आप.